As you can see, our built environment is getting smaller day by day, which results in small spaces for your home. I know it is very difficult for you to transform these tiny spaces in what you have dreamt of. So don't panic, I am here with the solutions. Hi, I am Anjana Adivudi, Interior Designer at Space Design Group, and today I will be sharing 5 amazing space saving ideas for your homes which will be life changing for you all. Idea number 1, opener. So if you have a smaller living room and you want it to be more inviting, spacious and bright, so knock off the wall between your kitchen and your living room to make a spectacular space and create an open plan. The pros of an open plan are larger spaces, more natural light, and it adds value to your space. I know you must be thinking, what about the storages? I know you have more requirement for storages when you have a small apartment. So I have an idea for that. So what you can do, you can keep half of the kitchen wall for your storages and just knock off the other half. So it can create a nice and spacious living and kitchen area for your home. Here are some examples for an open plan kitchen. As you can see in this image, it is a totally open plan where the wall is totally knocked off and you can see a counter which is used as a breakfast bar and the other half is used as a living space. And in this other image you can see how the half wall is retained and used for storages and the other half is open up to make a spacious living and kitchen area. Idea 2 is convertible furniture. As you don't get much space in your home for furnitures, you can start using convertible furnitures like study, which flap down into a bed so that it can be used for study and for sleeping, both purposes. Then you can use a hidden bed behind the sofa. As you can see in the image, this panel flap downs and converts into a bed, and when it's not used, it can be closed and used as a sofa. So it can save much space in your bedrooms. Next is the coffee table, which can be lifted up and used as a dining table for 2 people. Kitchen islands that slides into a breakfast bar and display, which can be turned into a dining table for 4. These are some examples which is very useful for you. It's trending up as it's economical, multi-purpose, occupies less floor space, stylish, minimal, and it is very easy for you to carry if you are planning to shift into a new home. Idea 3. Lights turns into decor. Your space value increases when you balance perfectly the lights and the decor along with your furniture. So try and use creatively designed lights which can be used as a decor for your space. So whenever the lights are turned off, it transforms into a decor and adds values and aesthetic to your space. Here are some examples of lights which are transformed into a decor and gives an aesthetic look to the beautiful apartment. Idea 4. Utilize storage aesthetically. Don't just make storages to accommodate your things in it. Make it functional as well as aesthetic at the same time. So try using storages which is 60% closed and 40% open, and in the open spaces you can add some decor which can add beauty to it. Combining different materials like wood with glass, mirror with glass, and fusing various color laminates or lacquers can give you a very dramatic effect for your home. Idea 5. Art surprises with an unusual way. Surprise yourself and your guests with a creative piece of art that adds value to the space and brings out your lifestyle. But at the same time, it has a functional value. Like if you have a big canvas that flaps down into a table and can be used as a study or a dining for two. An interesting wall art with a hidden storage behind. Like you can make a niche in the brick wall of your home and make a storage inside that, and on the shutter itself you can do some artwork and make is a very creative art piece for your home. So it will have a function and an aesthetic value both at the same time. Now try and use these amazing ideas and recreate your home interiors with a unique identity and turn your home into a creative canvas. Now I need you to write down your queries on how your home can be converted into a space-saving home, and I assure you that I will be back with the solutions. So don't wait, write in the comment section now. Signing off for today. Please subscribe our channel and we need more likes so that it boosts our energy for our next video. Bye everyone.